Hi, my name's Ike Hewlett, and I want to welcome you guys to our new YouTube page, Industrial Product Reviews, or Industrial Reviews. What we're going to do on this channel is very similar to what we do on my other channel, which is Ike's Outdoors. And what we do on that is we review products, we do how-to videos, and several other things. But what we're going to do on this is we're going to review tools, industrial products, mainly on the welding side of it, the metal fab side of industrial work. My background is I've been a welder for 10 years. I've done everything from stick weld, MIG weld, to TIG, and I've done everything from 20 gauge stainless up to 2-inch mild steel, and from TIG welding that lightweight 20 gauge to doing the extremely heavy-duty stuff on that 2-inch, doing the spray arc, with the MIG welder. So I've got a lot of experience in not only doing the welding, but I've also got a lot of experience as a supervisor and buying these products, having to replace these products, knowing which product's going to get me the best bang for my buck, because as a supervisor your job is to keep costs low, and to do that, one of the best things you can do is buy a tool that's going to be at a good price, but it's also going to last you for a long time. You're going to get a lot of use out of. So I've got a lot of experience with doing that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do with this channel is we're going to look at some products, and the way we look at these products is an unbiased way. When I get a product to look at, we're going to put it through their test just like I would in a normal shop situation. If it's a welder, we're going to take it out and we're going to weld everything that's in the range that welding machine should weld. Now, if it's some lightweight welder, I'm not going to go out and try to spray arc with it and weld 2-inch or some really thick plate with it. We're going to keep it in the range of acceptability on what a product should do, and we're going to make sure that product does what it claims to do. And at times we're going to take it and we're going to push it to the max. What we're going to do is going to say, okay, it'll do exactly what it says it'll do. Now let's see how far we can go with it, and we're going to test it out, make sure it holds up. We're going to test it out, make sure if we have any issues with it. We'll talk about what it took us to get that fixed, what it took us to get hold of the company and get it replaced. We're really going to look at every aspect of these products exactly like you would. Try to put it through as much real-world testing and real-world scenarios as possible. So like I said, we're going to be testing a lot of the metal fab side of the stuff. We're going to be doing welders, welding hoods, tools, grinders, hand tools that go along with welding, leathers, green jackets, just pretty much anything that I can get my hands on to test. So we're going to start doing that. Well, we're also going to do, you can see the shop's not really set up. It's set up mainly for my Ike's Outdoors page, and I got a lot of archery stuff in here. But we're going to start getting this shop set up, and we're going to get a welder in here, a MIG welder, hopefully eventually a TIG welder, and maybe even a stick welder at some point. And we're going to show you how to do those things. Like I said, I've TIG welded everything from 20 gauge steel or stainless up to some heavier aluminum, and I've also MIG welded, everything from 11 gauge to up to 2-inch doing spray arc. So we're going to show you how to do those things, what kind of settings your machine should have, what kind of gas you should be running, how you should run your bead, the different positions of running a bead, and different things like that. So this is Industrial Reviews, and we hope you check out our page. We'll have I know the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a review on the Save Face welding hood, which is one I've been using for about 5 months now, and it's a really good hood, but it does have some disadvantages to it and some things that are some flaws with it. So we're going to discuss the Save Face hood first thing in this review, or on this page, and then we'll start growing it from there. So if you want to check out my other reviews to kind of see what I've done in the past, you can check out our other page, which is Ike's Outdoors. And like I said, we do archery and hunting stuff on there, so if you're a hunter, you might want to check that out. And if you want to, you can just see what kind of stuff we've done in the past on that page. So hopefully we'll get into this and get some good products to test and be able to give you a good unbiased opinion, as well as show you a few things along the way that'll make you a better welder or get you into welding, so you can secure a job or something like that, or do your own hobby welding at home. Appreciate you guys watching.